Hi everyone, I'm Naeemah Goldson, and today I'm sharing gift ideas for the minimalist in your life. So stay tuned. As I've gotten older and being a mom to two kids, one of the kids having special needs, I've become more minimalistic in my approach to holidays. So I don't prefer to receive gifts. Now, it's hard to let your loved ones know you don't want to get a gift, but if they insist on getting you a gift, here are some great ideas.
The thrill seeker. I'm no thrill seeker, but for someone who is into adrenaline pumping activities, you can gift them scuba diving lessons, skydiving, or any other wild adventure you can think of. I know my husband, he's a total adrenaline junkie, and he often tries to get me to go along on these adventures with him, but guess what? That's not my thing. But I will give it to him as a gift, and he can just take a friend. Food delivery. We all have to eat, right? Give someone food delivery or send them groceries. Since the pandemic started, it's easier to get modern conveniences at our doorsteps. And really, who wouldn't turn down food? I know I wouldn't. An audiobook subscription. I spend a lot of time in the car, whether it's going to a client's house for my business, taking the kids to school, or whatever else it might be. So I've listened to hours and hours of audiobooks this year. This would be a great gift for someone who loves to read but is short on time. My favorite book from this year is Will by Will Smith. I love it because he also puts music into it as well, so it feels more like a performance and less like reading a book. Live music. I absolutely love live music. Going to concerts is one of the things my husband and I prefer to do on a date night. He gifted me the tickets to see Corinne Bailey Rae on my last birthday. So hey, check and see what local happenings are going on in your area and purchase that ticket. You can't go wrong with music. Money. How about money, honey? Money is a great gift to give because we need it. This will also give the recipient freedom to choose what they want to do with it, whether it's grabbing a cup of coffee or paying a bill. Money is always a good option. A haircut. When you look good, you feel good. And according to Deion Sanders, when you feel good, you play good. And when you play good, it pays good. Well, anyway, treat someone to a haircut, color, or beard trim so they can feel like $1,000,000. Travel. Depending on your budget, this is a gift that most people would appreciate. I know I would. I would love a trip to the Seychelles. So whether it's a road trip, beach vacation, or an African safari, make the arrangements and send the gift recipient on their way. Babysitting. Any parent with young kids will appreciate a gift like this. Personally, I didn't get a chance to sleep through the night until my oldest son was 7 years old. So yes, offer your exhausted, sleep-deprived, milk-covered friends the gift of watching their children, even if it is just for 2 hours while they take a nap, grab a coffee, or do the grocery shopping. Spa day. Who doesn't love the gift of relaxation? I'll take a massage, pedicure, or facial any day of the week. This is a perfect gift for that busy person who doesn't have time to schedule their own self-care. Car detailing. How often do you get your car detailed? Yeah, same here. Getting your car detailed is something we don't think about very often, and many of us use our cars every day. This gift is definitely worth it and will no doubt be appreciated by any recipient.
Thanks for watching, everyone. What are you getting your loved ones for the holidays this year? Tell me in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.